Greetings, Mark Brown here. Welcome to part 2. In part 1, we actually look at how we can actually restore up, restore down, resize and all of that. So right here in part 2, we're going to be looking at how we can enter data in the spreadsheet, where we can merge and center the heading, highlight the heading in the sheet, changing the font size in the sheet, resizing the row, and resizing the column. So this is what we're going to be looking at in 2, right? So I want to get started. So first thing we want to bring up the sheet, right? So definitely, right, what is the enter data in the table? So what I can actually do, I can put some data right here. Alright, some random data right here. Alright, good. I can actually put some number right over here, just like that. Just come like that. Good. And actually put some more like this, right over here. Put some more, just like that. So now we actually enter data right here in the table here. Right, the next thing you want to do is to merge and center the heading. So in order for me to merge and center the heading, definitely have to put the heading right here. Right. So what I want to do is put in, I'm gonna say chin shop. Now when I have that, now I want to merge and center the heading. I'm gonna click right here. You notice, if I come right here and put it back up here, I'm gonna hold on the left side of the mouse side touchpad. I'm gonna drag it all the way right here. So to D. Now when I drag it here to D, I'm going to come right up here that say align. You notice you want to merge and center. So you're going to click right here. You notice it's a merge and center. Right here is a merge across. It's a merge cell. Right here shows like unmerge. So what we want to focus on right here is the merge and center. So you're going to click it. So notice eventually it actually merge 1, 2, 3, 4 cells right here in one. Alright, very important right here. Highlight the heading in the sheet. So that's exactly what you do. We're going to highlight the edit. Notice, if you come right up here, so notice a font. If you see, notice if the thing right here look like a bucket, you're going to click right there on the pointer, and you notice to show that you can actually highlight the two different type of edit. Alright, good. Notice, actually highlighting the edit right there. Alright, the next thing that you want to do is to change the font size in the sheet. Alright, very important. Now, for you to change the font size, what you want to do, you want to first make sure it's something like this. I'm going to block everything right here. Notice you're going to come right up here. So this was a font, right? If I come like this, I can come like that and change it. You notice, come all the way up, just like that. And if I come right here, that is A, I can actually increase it just the same. If I come at this small A, I can also increase it just the same. Right, so that's exactly how we do it again. Alright, if you notice right here, that says a resize the row. So we want to look and see how we can resize the row. Alright, so if you notice, definitely put the cursor right here. Notice you see that plus. You can actually come like this with it. You notice the row get bigger right here. You notice I come right here, it get bigger. I can actually go back up with it. Just make sure put the cursor like this. Alright, so you might have a little difficulty, but right here, I go back up with it just like that. Good. Very important right there. So notice this one say resize the column. Alright, so we're going to resize the column. So what you want to do is put the cursor right here. Notice cursor become a plus, you're going to take it to your right. Notice the widen, you can take it back to your left. Just the same. Alright, you can actually come like this, along left side of the mouse touchpad, and carry it out like that. You can actually do this same just like that. So I hope you have learned something from this video. Thanks for watching. See you in part 3.